In this video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic intro using animations in CapCut PC. Let's start. Go to the Stock Materials tab and add a black background to your timeline. Next, go to the Text tab and add default text to the timeline. Type your desired text and customize its font, color, and style. Go to the Animation tab and apply the Starlight animation to the text. Select both the text and black background layers, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Now, drag and drop your main video clip below the compound clip in the timeline. Click on the compound clip. Go to the Video Basics tab and set the blend mode to multiply. Adjust the opacity of the compound clip if needed. You can also experiment with other blend modes for different effects. Preview your intro to ensure the animation and blending work seamlessly. And that's it. If this helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.